Hey guys, Steffi this side. So if you're someone who owns a desktop, let me ask you, what is the most underrated component on your desk? Think about it, I bet it's the mouse. Probably because it's the smallest component on the desk and it has to carry out the simplest of tasks, move your cursor around the screen. Today, we'll be taking a look at one of those. This is Logitech MX Master 2S. And right away, let me also tell you, of all the tech products I own, this is one of my favorite products. Now, when you look at this mouse, it's hard to believe that something like this exists. And you can even purchase it for your personal use. It looks really sporty and well, if you check the Logitech website, this mouse has been hand sculpted, and if you're into supercars, you know that they do hand sculpting for them. And seeing the same process for this little guy, it's really amazing, which by the way does explain the out of the box, sporty and a pretty excellent design. And this is a big mouse. People with big hands like myself are really going to appreciate this. One problem I used to face with smaller mice is that after some time, it would become really uncomfortable to use them. But this works great with big hands. And since it's built really well, it also gives the feeling that you are holding something solid, not something flimsy which might break if you press too hard. And don't get me wrong, people with small hands would really enjoy this as well. Apart from the size, the clicks also feel absolutely on point. And you have total of 7 buttons on this mouse. On the top you have left, right and middle click, and another one over the scroll wheel, and on the sides we have a back, forward and a gesture button. And we also have 2 scroll wheels, one on the top, one on the side, and they are literally amazing. The top wheel is a speed adaptive scroll wheel, which means you can do normal scrolling, click by click, pretty standard stuff, but if you scroll this wheel fast enough, it will shift from click mode to hyper fast scrolling until it eventually slows down and then goes back to the clicking mode again on its own. This is just great engineering. You can scroll through tons of pages in like a second. And the side scroll wheel or thumb wheel is really helpful when you are like working on Excel or in my case editing videos. You can use it for horizontal scrolling. And the first thing you need to do after purchasing the mouse is download Logitech Options software. It's available on Logitech website for free. This software allows you to customize everything on this mouse. You can assign specific functions to specific buttons. You can assign specific functions to specific buttons for specific applications. Like for example, when I'm using Google Chrome, the thumb wheel is working as a volume knob because I'm probably either watching YouTube or taking online classes. But when I'm not using Chrome, the side wheel helps to switch between different applications. I mean, really, spend some time with this software and work your way through for the best possible settings. And of course, this is a wireless mouse, so you can either use it with a USB receiver that comes in the box or you can connect it via Bluetooth. It works great both ways. And the sensor is excellent as well. You can use this on any surface, wood, notebook, book, paper, glass, metal. The mouse works flawlessly. Now again, if you look at the back side, we have a pretty standard on-off switch, and then we have 3 numbers and a little button, and that's because this mouse has a memory and can live switch connecting between 3 devices at the same time, which can be really helpful. In my case, number 1 is for my desktop, number 2 connects to my laptop, and number 3 is still vacant. That's why it goes into this pairing mode, blinking light, ready to connect to a third device. So this can be really helpful for people who have multiple computers in their daily workflows. All it takes is just a click to get going. And it charges via micro USB, and on a full charge, which takes about 90 minutes, Logitech claims 70 days of backup depending on your usage. I'm getting somewhere around 45 days of backup considering I never manually turn off this mouse. But anyways, I think that might be more than sufficient for everyone. And I think it's worth mentioning that in the box, you also get a micro USB cable, which is of excellent quality. I mean, I have tons of micro USB cables at my place, but this is by far the best I have seen. So all in all, this is a great mouse, but as you can see, this is an expensive product. Maybe too expensive for some people, but it does have some cool tricks up its sleeves which might convince you to think otherwise. So it has a feature called Logitech Flow. To use it, you need 2 or 3 computers, pair the mouse with both or all of them, and also install Logitech Options on all your systems and connect them to the same network. Under the Flow tab, enable the flow for both systems, and once you do that, the software will look for other systems on the same network that are also paired to the same mouse. Adjust how your systems are configured and you are good to go. Now I can move cursor across both my computers without manually toggling between them, which by the way also works flawlessly, and you can even copy files across systems connected. Copy them on first system, move cursor to the second one and paste them. And of course, you can take a second to realize what just happened here, but that's all the time we have for this video. So final verdict is, if you spend a lot of time on a computer and your daily workflow involves multiple systems, you have to get this mouse and see for yourself how far the technology have gone to ease your work. And of course, there's a newer version of this mouse on the market, MX Master 3, but apart from some design changes, everything is pretty much the same. So I don't recommend spending extra on an already expensive product. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tech content. But until next time, thanks for watching, stay indoors, be safe, I'll see you guys next time.